Hello everyone, welcome to Ask an Armorer. My name is Kia and today we're going to be looking at how a bodycord works. They're fairly simple things as their entire function is simply to take the signal from your weapon to the reel. If you're already familiar with the anatomy of a bodycord and just want to know how to do the repairs, go ahead and check out the rest of this playlist. In today's video, I'll be focusing on the three most common types of bodycords that I see here in Canada and the States. The first is the épée bodycord. Second is the two-prong bodycord. And the third will be the bayonet bodycord. The bayonets are not as common anymore, but you can still see them floating around from time to time. Now, every bodycord, regardless of type, has three lines, which I will refer to as the A line, the B line, and the C line. And each bodycord, the A line and the B line, are what actually connect into your blade in order to allow you to score a point. In the épée bodycord, this C line here is what connects to your bell guard and prevents it from being part of target area. It forms the ground. In the bayonet and two-prong bodycords, this C line is what connects to your alligator clip and therefore to your lame and allows for full scoring circuit to be formed. To break it down a little bit further, we already know that your C line here connects to the alligator cord. In the two-prong end, the A line here connects to the larger of your pins and the B line connects to the smaller pin. In the bayonet, this A line connects to this secondary smaller screw here, while the B line connects to the screw at the very end. In both of these types of cord, this does matter, as reversing those wires can cause your weapon to give you some really interesting results that are not very helpful. So now that we know what all of the parts of our bodycord are, we need to make sure that it's in good working order in order to fence with it. But what is good working order? According to the FIE regulations, a bodycord must have a resistance of 1 ohm or less across its entire length. This means that each individual line must have a resistance less than 1 ohm, and the combined resistance must also be less than 1 ohm. You must also have all of the various physical parts present and in good working order. This means all pins must be there and have no splits or broken tines, the case cannot be cracked, and if you have any retaining clips, those must be present in full. And there you have it. Once all of those are together and your resistance is at the correct level, your bodycord is in good working order and you're ready to start fencing. And that's about it for how a bodycord works. In the rest of this playlist, I'll be showing you how to diagnose a bodycord using a multimeter or a test box if you have one, and as well as how to repair it for once you've found what the problem or problems are. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.